Hello students, today we will learn how to work on Gyankata. Your teachers will share the link in the Google Meet. You will log in on the day of your exam. Teacher will paste it in the chat window. You will copy the link from the chat window. Right click on the link and choose the copy option. Now go to Google Chrome or any web browser. Open a new tab and paste the link. Press enter. The Gyankata window will appear. You have to choose Google option and then choose your official school account. In case you're not signed in already, you can add your account. Sign in using your official ID. Put your password and click on next. It will take you to Gyankata page where you can attempt your exam. Now I have done it multiple times, so I am going to re-attempt the quiz for you. When you will be doing first time, you can start the first attempt. Now this is the interface. You can type the data which is required, admission number, name, class, section. From here you can choose your file. Click on the choose file option. Browse and select your file from your computer. And then click on upload file option. Depending upon the speed of your network, it will take some time to upload. Please hang on the page till it is written answer saved. Your answer is yet not saved, so we will go back till our answer is saved. This option will appear on the left side of your question. See, now the answers are saved. To add another file, click on the add file icon. Again choose your file. You can add multiple files using Gyankata interface. Now when you can see saved option, you can review your attempt. You can check whether everything is correct. We are uploading multiple files by clicking on add file option. You can review your files also. It is getting added. Please make sure that the file size should not exceed more than 1 MB. So you can see now the multiple files I have uploaded. 2 files are here. Now suppose if I don't need a particular file, I can click and choose the delete option. And after clicking on delete, it will ask me whether I want to delete the file. I will click on OK. Now you can see I have only one file left. This way I can update my file. If by mistake I have uploaded a wrong file, I can delete or I can update my file. I can add multiple files using the Gyankata interface. In the box provided, I can type short answers as given in my question paper. So you can do a practice over here. Once you are through, click on next. You can check when your answers are saved. If you want to go back, click on review attempt. Once you are done, click on finish attempt. So once you finish your attempt, you won't be able to change your answers further. Click on finish and your paper will be submitted after you will click on finish attempt. Now let's learn various methods of compressing your file. Go to Google and type compress file online. You will get multiple links to compress your files. We have tried few links. The first and the second link works best, so you can use them. Click on the link, choose your file, browse from your computer and select the file that you want to compress. Click on the first option, basic compression, and then it will automatically compress your file. See how much it has reduced the file size. It is quite small. Now you can download your file and save it in a particular folder where all your answers are getting saved. You can also write an answer or paste a picture in the Microsoft Word in case you have clicked using a phone. Then go to File and Save As and choose the PDF option. In the type option, you can choose the file type as PDF, and then when you will save, your file will convert into PDF and it will be of very small size. So this way also you can reduce the size of your file. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.